I'm a boy who's done wrong to my parents, and daily I wandered about to earn a small mite for my shelter at night. God help me, for now I'm cast out. My sister, she married a squire, and rides in her carriage so gay. Not a cent can I borrow in this wide world tonight, for my own I have squandered away. But the day will come when the rich man will find that every poor man is no tramp. For many a sweetheart lies sleeping tonight 'neath the old door and cold of a tramp. My mother, she died broken-hearted when she heard of my awful downfall. How I wish I had died in my cradle at night, for rum was the cause of it all. One night on the icy cold railway, a tramp broken down and heart sore, with an empty freight car by the siding, he soon made his way for the door. But he had not gone far in the empty freight car when the brakeman came round with his lamp. He was thrown from the freight car and killed by the rails, just because he was only a tramp. But the day it will come when the rich man will find that every poor man is no tramp. For a many a sweetheart lies sleeping tonight 'neath the old door and cold of a tramp. 'Neath the old door and cold of